Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm about to show y'all how I took some old, raggedy, crusty, busted, dusted box braids and turned them into these beautiful goddess faux locks.
I know girls love the style. Get a little money and they start wildin'. Get a little money and they go missing. Yeah, they so vicious. I find it hard to play games. She find it hard to date lanes. I find it hard to stay sane. This shit is hard.
Okay, so I had my box braids in for like 2 months. So my baby hairs are not baby hairs anymore. They are officially preteens. So lay down your preteens first. Next, you want to take your Cuban Twist hair and split it wherever it naturally parts at into 2 sections. So what I'm doing now is I'm taking the bigger piece of those 2 sections and I'm going to crochet that through the root of the piece that I choose. So right now I'm doing this braid. And so I'm going to lay that hair, the end of that hair, on the hook, close the hook, and pull that hair through. Once you've gotten that through, your hair should be able to move like so. So after that, take the smallest piece or side and lay that with the braid. You're going to take the bigger section and you're going to wrap that around your root 2 or 3 times. Me, I didn't want to look too crusty, so I did it about 3 times. Depending on how loose you want them, you could do it however many times you like. So now I'm just working my way down the braid and I'm securing the hair by using my index finger and my thumb after each turn.
Yeah, but they cannot change us. My niggas moving too famous. These niggas moving too dangerous. Still with the niggas that came with us. Still with the niggas that hang with us. Ain't shit changed, been the same with us.
Once you have about this much hair left, go ahead and split it into 2 sections again. So you're gonna put the smaller piece with the braid, and then you're going to continue to go around with the bigger piece. If you get to this length, a really small length, and you still have to cover more of your braid, then go ahead and take that second section of hair and you're going to put that with this piece of hair, with the small section. And then you're just going to continue to go around just like I did in the video.
I wanna sign a deal, but I probably won't sign a deal. I gotta run with the non-conceal. These niggas get it at pride for real. No, young nigga might die for real. It ain't crossed my mind for real. I ain't got no time for real. Still live with my mama still. Niggas done changed, and niggas done changed though. Yeah, but they cannot change us. My niggas moving too famous. These niggas moving too dangerous. Still with the niggas that came with.
So now I finally have the whole braid covered. The only thing left is the hair that was left out at the bottom. So now I'm taking one of the 2 sections and I'm going to start going the opposite direction. So instead of wrapping it down the braid, I'm going to start wrapping it up the braid. And when you wrap it up, you don't want to go too high because the higher you go, the looser the hair will be. Once you finish, just rub it in your hands and burn the ends. So moving on to the next braid, I'm just doing my preteens again. So this time I am going to show you how to add a curly piece at the end. So it's the same process in the beginning. So I'm taking that Cuban hair and I'm splitting it into 2 pieces. Next, I am taking the curly hair, which is deep waves, and it comes in a crochet pack. You could get Fruitress or you could get Glance. So I'm taking that, and this is the piece that I'm choosing. It really doesn't have to be big because this is going on the end, and I'm saving it for later.
These niggas just wanna be hood for bitches that used to be lame. I still got a $90, but they shootin' like they clay. And I'm just easing down my own road. Told them get about the way because I wanna be alone. Why can't you leave me alone? I don't need a loan. I just need me a home. Why is this world so cold? Gotta keep me a heater close. Gotta bring me a heater home. I'm probably gonna eat alone. Said I wanna sign a deal, but I probably won't sign a deal. I gotta run with the non-conceal. These niggas get it at pride for real. Know a young nigga might die for real. It ain't crossed my mind for real. I ain't got no time for real. Still live with my mama.
So now I am picking up my curly piece and I am going to add that with the rest of the Cuban hair. Y'all, excuse my face. I was so sick and like I could barely breathe. So anyway, so now I'm just going to take the other side of that Cuban hair and I'm going to put that with the curly piece. It'll look like this. And I'm going to continue to work my way down. Just like last time, when the hair gets really short like this, you can start working your way back up.
Change us. My niggas moving too famous. These niggas moving too dangerous. Still with the niggas that came with us. Still with the niggas that hang with us. Ain't shit changed, been the same with us.
For the last braid, I'm just gonna show y'all how to add curly piece at the top. Really, if you don't want to do this, you could go ahead and stop the video now, but don't forget to like and subscribe.
Change us. My niggas moving too famous. These niggas moving too dangerous. Still with the niggas that came with us. Still with the niggas that hang with us. Ain't shit changed, been the same with us. Swear I've been going through changes, and these niggas didn't change. These niggas just wanna be hood for bitches that used to be lame. I still got a $90, but they shootin' like they clay. And I'm just easing down my own road. Told them get about the way because I wanna be alone. Why can't you leave me alone? I don't need a loan. I just need me a home. Why is this world so cold?
The only difference now is that I'm going to grab my curly piece and I'm going to wrap that around my hair as well. And I'm wrapping the side that I don't want out. So this piece right here, I'm leaving out. So I'm going to take this other side and I'm going to wrap that around my hair. Everything else you pretty much do as normal. So that's all for this video. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you for watching. Bye.